Hey guys, how's it going? So today in the mail we got our new stands for our one-wheel GT and Pint. They're made of wood. They're nice to put in the back of your car for traveling or just around the house. These are a limited edition for Halloween, and today's Halloween. Look at that. So let's do an unboxing quick here, see what they look like. I didn't realize that they come in pieces because they all fit in this one box. I thought the box would be a lot bigger. But yeah, let's dive right in here. I already opened up one side a little bit. So we don't have to break any tape. I'm just going to slide this down. I am seeing it for the first time with you guys. So these are handmade on Etsy. No, there is not Rice Krispie treats in there. He used it to package it so things don't bang around. We got something, I guess the company's called Assy Factory. They put a little thank you note in there. Let me know of any issues. And yeah, that's cool. They put a nice little handmade thing in here. I'll note these do take a little while, about a week or two, to get them made. So it looks like we have screws with some tape. It looks like the screws are painted also. I'm not even going to flip them over yet. I'm going to take all the paper out. This way we could do an unveiling here together. So I'm going to put them all upside down. They are wood, they are painted. Imagine they're going to get beat up a little bit. This looks like their parts list. 2 frames, 2 struts, 4 hex screws, right? So 4 struts. Let's give away what this looks like. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So that's hand painted. It looks like he even signed it there. As you can see, it is a mummy. That is pretty neat. So that's one side. That's another side. Got one side. And then we got the other side. All right, I think that. So the bigger one is the GT. So that's the same size for that one. The smaller one is the Pint X. And I'm guessing that these, oh no, I guess there's bigger ones and shorter ones here too. So assuming the bigger one is the GT. So one's totally square, one has a curve to it, totally square curve to it. Let's look at that little list. So here's that little list here. So it looks like the curved one is on the bottom here. And then this one is on the top. Oh, he has them labeled. He wrote on them pint. Okay, so there is some indication there. Let me grab a screwdriver real fast and we'll go ahead and put these together. Okay. Handy dandy iFixit. I love these little hand tools. I don't think they sell these special wooden case ones anymore. I've had it for a couple of years. Let me just try to find the right size here. My kids also use these and they're not that great with putting them back. Okay, I'm double checking to see if there's any difference with these screws. One, two, three, four. We'll take the parts off the one, two, one, two, 3, 4. They look like they're the exact same size, so I don't have to worry about mixing them up. Oh, let's make sure that the heads are the same size. Yeah, so they look like the same size. I guess since the pint is in front of us, we will start with the pint. Start by putting the head in the screwdriver. I guess that should come first. We'll just screw it in a little bit. Then we'll grab the other screw, put that in, screw that in a little bit. Right. Double checking. The bottom one gets the curve facing up. Screw these in. I could probably use a drill or something, but since these are so handmade, I wanted to do it by hand. Nice. So I'll screw this one in just a little bit more so I can feel it. Nice. Again, this one is totally square. Okay, so this one, I think the brand goes facing the back, I believe. Okay. So far, shred till dead. Cool. Let's flip this over, flip that over. So we're looking at something like this. Again, we'll put the screws in. Still smell a little bit of paint. It's nice. I would say my first thought would be that both sides would be painted, not just the one, since you could see it. But I guess the one wheel going in and out of it is going to scrape up the inside a decent amount anyway. But that does look pretty nice. All right, one down, one to go. So let's slide this down and leave this kind of up here. Again, we'll double check. This is the bottom. That goes to the back. Put our screws in a little bit. Okay, so again, that's facing up. the whole idea with these guys, so you can throw it back in the back of the car and the one wheels aren't going to slide around. That's the point of these, but they also look nice, so you could use them in your house. I do have one metal stand, and I have my one wheels actually hung on the wall. So I'm not sure if I would really use this that much in the house, but they look cool. I might just use them because they look cool. I think he had a nice design. The regular ones come all stained in certain colors with some little twine burn wood wrap on it. I was thinking about those initially, but then I saw these, and since they were like a limited time thing, I said, why not? Um, and of course, I had to get two because I have two one wheels, and I figured maybe they should match. I don't even know, since today is Halloween, I don't know if they're still offering these anymore or not. But he does make custom ones also, I believe. I guess maybe don't quote me on that, but I'll leave links and stuff to his SD account down below. He responded really quickly with messages, and he got these out to me pretty quick. I wasn't sure if he was going to be here by Halloween or not, but looks like it made it here by then, which is pretty cool. Almost there. Okay, so that's two of them. Pretty cool. There you go. Let's try to get a one wheel in this shot, maybe. Let's grab the pint because it's a little smaller. All right, we got the pint here. Right, the idea is it goes in the back of your car like that. Pretty cool. There you go. That's how it lays out. I'm not sure if you guys could really see how that lays on this camera, but ultimately that's how it goes in. Pretty nice. Again, guys, here you have it. It's Here you have it, guys. Some limited edition stands over an SD from Assy Factory, making these cool stands. Check out the other ones they have. They're pretty cool. They are lighter than I thought. I thought they'd be a little heavier. So they're really, I think they're lighter than my metal stand that I got with my GT for sure. And they're cool. You could stand them two ways. The idea is they just roll up over the hump and the tire sits right here. And you're good to go. All right, guys, until next time.